steering drill.
Right.
So basically, I'm going to observe how you steer the motorcycle.
Got it.
And just like he was doing, I need you to go up there at about 25 miles an hour. Second gear, constant throttle, just turn the bike back and forth as quickly as you feel comfortable.
Okay.
Good. When you get to the end, turn around, come back, pull back here and just park.
Alright. I go like this. Alright, right's this way.
Left. Good. Okay, great. So, as I said, going with the bike, which you're doing really well.
Okay.
From here to about here.
The
This
heck?
bit not so much, right?
Right.
And all it is actually is that you're ending up looking the wrong way because when the bike leans this way,
I kind of
this
go.
goes that way, but your head kind of turns the opposite way.
Right.
Think about it. Steer the bike. You're going to be looking the way you're going, and then so it's just a little bit like this. Rotate the shoulder.
Got it.
You ski?
Snowboard. No
Snowboard?
skiing.
All right, where do your shoulders want to be pointed when you're going downhill? Up
Uh,
the hill or down the hill?
down the hill.
Oh, exactly. Same thing with this, right? Your shoulders want to be going where you're going. Imagine the turn is actually a downhill. You want to be going there, not
So my head's just.
your head's kind of going the opposite direction.
Okay. Try it again.
Put up in the peg again. Okay. Do you normally have it on the ball of your foot or in the middle?
I normally tend to have it here.
Okay. You know, it's better if you can tuck it in. Because what will happen is when you start to lean it over more, and you will because of the way you're leaning the bike over, your peg will hit first rather than your boot.
Right, because I tend to do like
Yeah,
the
and
heel.
then it sticks out over the end there.
I've dragged my foot, it
Yeah.
freaks me out.
Yeah, so just tuck it in and then you won't do that. That looked very much better. Now you're exaggerating the head a little bit.
Right.
So really you just want to look as far as where you're turning.
Right.
So that was a little exaggerated, but it was fine. Now did you feel like the bike did dig in a little bit here and there?
Yeah.
Notchy, okay. Like a hitch. So again, that's because
Smooth.
when you push the bar, you lean over. When it reaches the lean angle you want, you simply stop pushing. What you're doing is you're pushing, you get to the lean angle, you pull back, or you stop it.
It's got to
That's
be
what creates that hitch.
smooth.
Yeah. Well, it's not even that. It's press. Stop pressing. You just release the pressure.
So what am I doing? I'm going like this?
Yeah, you're actually doing this. You're actually doing like that.
Okay.
You do that.
So this.
It's just press and do nothing.
Got
The
it.
moment you take the pressure off the bar, the bike will stay at that lean angle until you press back going the other way.
So I'm giving it a little pull back.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what digs the front wheel in a little bit and makes it feel a little bit uncomfortable.
Right.
Okay, let's try it with the press and release. Turns were spot on.
Right, I
Really,
could
really good.
feel it.
There's a couple up there where you kind of did have that little
Yeah, my throttle's a little snatchy too, which messes it up.
nice constant throttle, but those last three turns were really good. So what I'd like to see is you go up and do it both directions, just like you did those last three.
Okay.
You do that?
Yes. did it.
Excellent.
Excellent.
How'd that feel?
Felt pretty good. I'm working on leaning because I'm working on my leaning because I'm not totally comfortable with leaning it over.
Well, does it make you more comfortable though now that you're going with the bike and actually, you know, the steering?
I didn't know I was doing this, but it makes sense I do that in the canyons and stuff because I could feel it getting the front dipping down from that.
Right.
Now I know.
Cool. You gonna apply that out there?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Good job.
Where do I go right now?
I think you just go back in and wait for them to call you to go out.
Okay.
For a little while, I think.
Thank you.